Hi guys, and welcome to the pre-sale page for Clicky. Now, Clicky launches on the 5th of February. I'm going to give you a full review on the 5th of February. But I want to tell you that, I review products all the time. I get asked a lot to review products. I only review probably 3 to 4 products per month. Now, it's very rare that I come across something that I know I will be using going forward all the time in my marketing business. Now, as soon as I saw Clicky, I knew I'm going to be using this product. This product creates amazing clickable thumbnails. Now, just let me jump over to my YouTube channel. Now you can see all made with Clicky. So I've been using it for kind of nearly 2 weeks now. So all these three, all made with Clicky. So you can see I'm using it. I will be using it going forward. It works so well. And I'll give you a full review on the 5th of February. Today, I wanted to tell you about my giveaways and my bonus. Now, my bonus, when I come across a product that I like really, really well, I kind of go even further on creating an amazing bonus. And I have with this one. So first, my giveaways. Let me show you where the giveaways are. Come right to the bottom of this page, right to the bottom down here. Quite a big bonus page, as you can see. Now you can see the 100 giveaways all the way down here. So claim those on the 5th of February. Those will disappear. Now, let me go back up here. Now, I'm going to be selling a product called Video Signal. Now let me jump across to the product. Now you can see Video Signal here. It's a full SaaS product. It has a front end. It has 2 upsells there, so you can see the dashboard. It's a really, really nice product. It's not just a single kind of micro SaaS or anything like that. It's a full-on product. So you can see here. It does everything you need for kind of video creation, from the marketing side to getting what offers work, to getting the scripts done, everything you need for video. So everything done here, all ready to go. And as I said, it has a front end and it has 2 upsells. Now I'm going to be selling that, but before I do that, I'm going to be offering this as a bonus. So just let me jump back to the bonus page. So it's called Funnel SaaS. So you get access to the Video Signals kind of funnel all the way through the funnel, not just the front end. You get the front end, you get the upsell, and you get the second upsell as well. Okay, it tells you here exactly what this does. Just scroll down, you got the Video Signal, which is $67. That's going to be selling at. A little bit farther, you got the affiliate upgrade for that as well. That's going to be selling at $147. And then you've got the publisher version as well, which is going to be selling at $97. So you get access to all those 3 sections. So the front end, both upsells. Okay. Now that's amazing by itself, because that's a value of $297. But I'm also going to give you the reseller with full rebrand rights, which means you can take that funnel, you can take that software with the sales pages, everything done for you, rebrand it and resell it as your own funnel. That's huge. You've got the front end, you've got 2 upsells. So it's not just a product you can resell. You could put this on any of the platforms and set it up as a full funnel. So you've got the front end and you've got the 2 upsells. Okay, now not only that, we're also going to give you the done for you video launch funnel. So what that means is you don't have to do anything yourself. You tell us what you want to rebrand that funnel to.